Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2017 Renault Master Mid Roof, stock number 3979. This shape runs from the 9th month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the lower front, the right hand rear and the rear. We have the headlight, right hand side. Bonnet has a couple of small dents. Left hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left door has only one small dent. Left rear sliding door has got a few larger sort of dents. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light. With the right barn door garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right front door, couple small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a suspension seat in the driver's side, handbrake lever, auto transmission shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.